Hey you guys, I'm Manish and welcome to B-Town Style Under 3, where I break down celebrity looks in under 3 minutes. Today's episode is inspired by Hrithik, who was spotted on the go in a cool graphic t-shirt which was accessorized to perfection. Hrithik had a checkered scarf draped around his neck that added an element of breezy style to the outfit. A black fedora and multicolored polka dot backpack finished the entire look. I think this look would work really well as an airport outfit of the day. It's comfortable and easy to pull off. Let me show you guys a few scarves that you can maybe add to your wardrobe to really amp up your style game. To create a really chilled out outfit, start with a navy tee very similar to the one that I have over here. What I really like about this particular t-shirt is the fact that it's got a white pocket which really stands out and gives it that extra amp of funk. Layer on a contrasting blue and orange geometric print scarf. Now to make it simpler so that you guys can understand how to wear the scarf, I'm going to layer it on my blue shirt. So this is the scarf. It's a nice beautiful blue and orange geometric print scarf. I'm going to throw it across my shoulders and my neck like this and let it hang very loosely and casually across my chest for a very chilled out casual vibe. Another way to wear the scarf would be to wrap it around the neck twice so that the pieces of fabric are dangling evenly on either side. If the dangling pieces bother you, you can tuck the loose ends around the neck to give it a clean and neat look, like so. And to complete the look, throw on a pair of blue jeans and white sneakers and you're good to go. On this next outfit, team this lemon yellow striped shirt with a pair of beige chinos like these. To add some swag to this really basic look, throw on an Aztec printed scarf like the one that I have over here. This scarf has various warm colors of reds, maroons, beige, oranges that are complementary to the yellow of the shirt and go really well with the entire look. With a look like this, take this scarf, fold it evenly so that the ends are meeting, throw it around your neck, take the loose end of the scarf and put it through the loop on the other side like so. If you're looking for a more formal look, wear this lemon yellow shirt with a beige blazer like this. Throw on a pair of beige chinos and tan loafers to complete the look. Another way to wear this scarf would be with a white shirt, denim jacket and brown chinos combo. Well, I hope you guys are inspired to add scarves to your wardrobe. They're an easy way to take your outfit from drab to dapper in just a few seconds. That's it from this episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I will see you guys with another celebrity look next time. Until then, ciao. Now today I'm going to be talking about and breaking down Hrithik's airport looks. Hrithik was recently spotted in a beige jacket which was embellished with multicolored patches. He kept the focus on the jacket by choosing, well, a solid grey colored t-shirt underneath and classic blue jeans. A pair of sunglasses and a ring were the only accessories he wore. Now the outfit was a balance of colors. The matching beige jacket and long sleeve t-shirt kept the outfit cohesive. Now patches are also a great way to break the monotony of a solid colored garment like say a jacket and instantly make it a lot more interesting. Let me show you guys a few ways to incorporate this in your look for your daily wear. Now for the first look that I'm going to create, it's inspired by Hrithik's look but with a pinch of color via jackets. Pick a maroon moto leather jacket like this one with patches. Now what I really like about this jacket is the detailing on it. It's got combination patches on the chest, it's got zippers on the arms and on the torso, and it's one of those statement pieces that makes you look stylish immediately, or should I say in a jiffy. Keep the focus on the jacket, just pair it with some cool chunky black sneakers. Now for a more versatile look, pick a darker shade like maybe this plum jacket. Now this nylon plum jacket has embellishments that are a bit more subtle. I think this jacket would be a great base to go out clubbing. Layer it with a white t-shirt underneath and maybe throw on a pair of blue jeans just like this one to complete the look. Now the combination of the plum hue with the subtle embellishments is enough to instantly up your style quotient and elevate a basic look into a ripped AF look. Now guys, what makes this denim shirt really interesting are all the different colored patches on it. I especially like the addition of number 72 over here in patchwork. It gives it a very Letterman jacket kind of vibe that's very preppy actually. Now this patchwork elevates a basic denim shirt into an uber cool piece. A denim shirt is a versatile piece that can be styled in a ton of different ways, making it a wardrobe must-have. Now guys, this patchwork shirt would work really well with a pair of white denims just like this, and it works well for a daytime brunch or a daytime event for that matter. Now you can switch to a pair of darker wash jeans if it is a night event or you're going out clubbing or just to hang with a bunch of friends. Now I think this shirt would look great with a pair of joggers as well. Now with this shirt, a snapback cap would work really well to bring out the casual vibe of this outfit. Well guys, I hope you're inspired by Hrithik to go ahead and give this colorful trend a try. Well, that's all from this episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I will see you guys again with another celebrity look next time. Until then, ciao. Now, Hrithik Roshan was spotted at an event in an outfit that was risky and out there, but I believe it was totally stylish. Now, the actor wore a metallic silver velvet finish bomber jacket with contrasting navy blue details on the collar and cuffs, and it looked superb. What prevented the outfit from looking too loud and flashy is the combination of the jacket with a powdered blue t-shirt underneath, plain white jeans and kicks. All in all, I think it was an outfit that was pretty stylish, all thanks to the statement metallic jacket. Now, I think a bomber jacket is a really good fashion investment as it's timeless and it's universally flattering because it tends to make the wearer's shoulders look broader and the waist look leaner. A bomber jacket is also a great way to add metallics to your wardrobe. I know metallic shades can be a little hard to wear, but I think it's a fashion risk worth taking. Now, to get a look inspired by Hrithik's, you can probably start with a silver bomber jacket like this one. Now, the tone of this jacket is dull silver grey, which is much more wearable in my opinion. Now, you could pair this with a subtle colored t-shirt like this grey t-shirt probably, or even wear a powdered blue t-shirt like Hrithik is wearing. Now, you can also team it up with mid-wash jeans like this. Okay, now guys, let me show you another bomber jacket that'll totally up your style game. This preppy color block maroon and dull gold bomber jacket is a perfect layering piece for those night outs. Now, this jacket features some really interesting detailing. If you look at it closely, on the collar, it's got some stripes. It's also got stripes on the sleeves. But what stands out for me the most is this embroidered emblem of two tigers on the chest. I really dig this. Now, with such a statement jacket, I think a monochrome look would work best. A pair of slim fit jeans like this, a pair of slim fit black skinny jeans with a black fitted tee would totally do the job. Now, pair this with black kicks for that look that'll definitely make heads turn. Now, if you like outfits that are a bit more dramatic, then you're definitely gonna love this all gold bomber jacket. Now, it's truly a great item to layer over a monochrome outfit to take this from basic to stylish in under a minute. Now, with this one as well, you can use an all black look, and I think that works best with this jacket to give it a chance to really shine. But if bomber jackets aren't really your vibe, then you could try this next look. Now, this is a really cool white t-shirt. What makes it more interesting for me is the fact that it's got this metallic patch right here in the center. It instantly ups the style quotient on this. So I think this is why metallics are the lazy guy's hack to looking instantly stylish. Well, I hope you guys are ready to try these trending styles. For now, that's all from this episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I will see you guys with another celebrity look next time. Until then, ciao. Today, I'm going to talk about Hrithik Roshan, who was spotted at a promotional event in a half-sleeve Cuban collar floral printed shirt. Now, florals are a massive trend this season, not only for women, but for men as well. And Hrithik pulled off this trend in an easy breezy Hawaiian style shirt, which he paired with light wash blue jeans. He accessorized the look with a black fedora, white belt and white sneakers, which added an uber cool vibe to his already Greek god personality. Now guys, make sure you always match the color of your belt with your shoes. This is a trivial yet very significant advice to take your style up many notches. Since florals are a must-have print, and if you're looking for that cool style like Hrithik's, let me show you guys a few ways you can incorporate the trend in your daily wear. So first up, what I have here is this Cuban collar style powder blue floral shirt, very similar to the one that Hrithik was spotted in. Now the combination of the relaxed collar with the box fit and short sleeves is universally flattering and basically very comfortable. French tucked this shirt into a pair of white jeans like the ones that I have here for a very easy, breezy, fun, casual look. Now it's the perfect look to flaunt your chilled out vibe. Now up next, I have this black and yellow leaves printed half sleeve shirt. Now it's perfect for those binge eating days as black creates a very slimming illusion and hides those extra unwanted kilos. Now the leaves pattern on this shirt makes it look extremely refreshing instead of it being a boring black shirt. Now throw on a pair of beige chinos like the ones that I have here, a pair of tan loafers for that daytime outfit that will look great at any brunch. Another way to pair this shirt is with hazel beige color chinos and white sneakers for a relaxed holiday look. Now another way to incorporate this print into your wardrobe is via a bomber jacket like the one that I have over here. Now this jacket blends Hawaiian print with a sporty silhouette. This high fashion piece is perfect when you need to make a splash with your outfit. Now keep the rest of the outfit extremely basic. A white solid t-shirt underneath would work well, and I would suggest wearing a pair of blue denims like this one. It would pull the entire look together and the jacket will remain the statement piece of the entire look. And to complete the look, throw on a pair of white kicks. Now for a more laid-back vibe, you can roll up the sleeves to show off those forearms. Now I would urge you to go ahead and give this trend a try. It's totally worth taking the risk. That's it from this episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I will see you guys with another celebrity look next time. Until then, ciao.
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.